Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Notion for research. Start by creating a clean research database and add properties like source, date, tags, status, and priority. Capture web clippings and quick notes, then use templates to standardize entries for literature, experiments, and meetings. Link related pages and use filters to focus on a project or question, keeping your workspace tidy, searchable, and ready for collaboration. In this video, I will show how to use Notion for research. Use the web clipper to save articles and snippets directly into your database and add a concise summary and tags. Store PDFs and images with clear file names and relevance tags so you can locate them instantly. Maintain a daily capture page for ideas, then process them weekly into permanent notes, keeping momentum and minimizing lost insights. In this video, I will show how to use Notion for research. Build relations and link databases to connect papers, experiments, and notes so context travels with your data. Create filtered views for each project, save searches for common queries, and use board or timeline views for progress tracking. Keep titles descriptive and summaries short to make retrieval fast, and review connections weekly to surface new patterns and next steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.